Welcome to the World Mind Sports Championship 2024 in Dubai. Get ready for an exhilarating challenge, where young minds from all around the world will compete across 10 incredible mind sports. Here's a quick rundown of the exciting challenges awaiting our participants. All 3 cubes. Solve the 3x3x3 cube, 2x2 cube, and pyraminx with speed and precision. NFIX. Test your problem-solving skills by assembling complex shapes in record time. Flash math. Sharpen your mental math as numbers flash before your eyes. Auditory math. Listen carefully, compute fast, and record your answers as sums are read aloud. MMCWCJ. The Mental Math Calculation World Championship in Junior Category. MMCWZO. The Mental Math Calculation World Championship in Open Category. Chess. Engage in strategic battles on the chessboard across various formats. Sudoku. Solve as many puzzles as you can within the time limit. Word bank. Challenge your vocabulary and language skills with word-based games. 1000 digits in 10 minutes. Tackle the ultimate mental math challenge, add 1000 digits in just 10 minutes. And now, let's dive into one of the most thrilling events. Flash Math. In Flash Math, participants will face a test of their calculation speed and accuracy. Here's how it works. The sums will be flashed on a digital screen for all participants to see. Participants must mentally calculate each sum and write down the final answer on their scorecard. Different batches will receive different sets of sums, but the difficulty level will be the same according to their module. If you miss a sum, don't wait for it to come back, it won't be repeated. Every sum is a one-time chance. Accuracy is key. Participants are not allowed to scribble, overwrite, or do any intermediate calculations on the scorecard. Any scribbling will automatically mark the answer as incorrect. There will be 3 rounds. Round 1, 10 sums will be flashed. Round 2, 5 sums will be flashed. Round 3, another 5 sums will be flashed. Each participant will need to stay sharp, focused, and quick. In the next slide, we'll show you an example of a flash math round in action. These are the specifications for the flash math competition, setting the stage for an exciting mental battle at the World Mind Sports Championship 2024. Best of luck to all participants, may the best minds win.